Hi, my name's Dan, and I'm here with Expert Village today to teach you how to tie the Pedigree Cow knot, which is very similar to the cow knot in a previous video. You start the same way, making a girth hitch or cow knot. You tie your knot, then you take the shorter end, make a loop, and before you tighten your knot, you feed it underneath both strands. What this allows the knot to do is to hold more weight, which makes it a much firmer knot. Now it can be used to bear weight. I'll tie it one more time. So make your girth hitch, then take the tail end and feed through. And there you have the Pedigree Cow knot.